Hi there, welcome to my channel where I dive into fascinating economic trends and analyze their impact on society. Today I want to challenge a deeply entrenched myth, one that has persisted through generations, masquerading as historical truth. Brace yourselves, for I'm about to unveil a perspective that might be controversial, perhaps even revolutionary. As the title suggests, it's time to shatter the illusion that the Soviet Union was ever a true embodiment of communism or socialism. My journey to this dissenting viewpoint began in the hallowed halls of academia, where I dared to question the prevailing narrative. In those days of youthful inquiry, I penned an essay that defied convention, offering a contrarian interpretation of Soviet history. To my surprise and delight, my arguments found favor with my discerning lecturer, earning me the coveted mark of an A. And so, armed with reason and conviction, I embark on this discourse. So let's dissect this misconception. Do visit our website, where I curate news and publications from international financial organizations and world central banks. Topics cover a wide range of financial and economic issues that affect individual countries or the world economy. For instance, COVID-19, inflation, or the war in Ukraine. Please also subscribe to this channel and be informed whenever we publish a new video. The Soviet Union, that enigmatic colossus of the 20th century, has long been hailed as the quintessential example of a communist or socialist state. Yet I implore you to cast aside the veil of assumption and look below the surface and realize that this notion is fundamentally flawed. Let me first address the fallacy of equating state ownership with the lofty ideals of communism and socialism. True communism envisages a society devoid of class divisions and state apparatus, where the means of production are communally owned and managed. Similarly, socialism advocates for democratic control of production by the working masses. However, the Soviet experiment, particularly under the iron grip of leaders like Joseph Stalin, deviated from these foundational principles. In the Soviet Union, we witnessed not the empowerment of the proletariat, but rather the consolidation of power within a centralized and bureaucratic state machinery. This monopolization of control contradicted the very essence of communism and socialism, where authority ought to be decentralized and vested in the collective will of the people. Furthermore, let me dispel the notion that a one-party state is synonymous with the ideals of communism or socialism. While it is true that the Communist Party reigned supreme in Soviet politics, such political monopoly does not inherently signify a society governed by the principles of egalitarianism and collective ownership. Rather, it fostered an atmosphere of authoritarianism, far removed from the democratic ideals espoused by genuine communist thought. To liken the conflation of the Soviet Union with communism or socialism, to reducing an elephant to its tusks and ears, is to acknowledge the oversimplification at play. Communism, much like the majestic beast, is a multifaceted concept, encompassing a myriad of dimensions beyond mere state ownership or political structure. Let us liberate ourselves from the shackles of historical misrepresentation. The Soviet Union was not a bastion of communism or socialism, but rather a cautionary tale of ideological divergence and authoritarian excess. Simplifying its political economy to state ownership and a one-party system glosses over the nuances of communism. Instead, the Soviet experience should serve as a cautionary tale, urging us to analyze beyond superficiality and dig deeper into the complexities of political ideologies and their real-world implementations. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this analysis insightful. If you did, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. As always, I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of economics.